If you're on the hunt for a mid-budget smartphone that delivers DSLR-level camera quality and can even rival the iPhone's camera performance, then you absolutely need to know about this new offering from Nokia. According to leaks, Nokia is set to launch a powerhouse of a smartphone that boasts a jaw-dropping 250 megapixel DSLR quality camera and a massive 8900 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia Play 5 Max. In today's video, we'll dive into the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this incredible device. So, let's start. Features of the Nokia Play 5 Max. Display. This stunning smartphone is set to feature an absolutely gorgeous display. It's rumored to come with a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with a screen resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels. That's not all, it also packs a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and a pixel density of 399 ppi. To top it off, the display will be protected by Panda Glass and will include an in-display fingerprint sensor, for added security and convenience. Processor. Under the hood, the Nokia Play 5 Max is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's beastly Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with the Adreno 730 GPU, for top-tier graphics performance. Built on a 4nm fabrication process, this chipset promises to deliver blazing fast performance and efficiency. On the software side, you'll be treated to the latest Android 15 right out of the box. Camera setup. Nokia has always been known for its exceptional camera quality, and the Nokia Play 5 Max is no exception. This device is rumored to feature a quad camera setup, headlined by a mind-blowing 250 megapixel primary sensor. Alongside it, you'll find a 50 megapixel, 24 megapixel, and a 12 megapixel camera to round out the setup. For selfie lovers, the front camera is said to be a 32 megapixel shooter, ensuring your selfies are always Instagram ready. Battery backup. The battery on this smartphone is nothing short of a beast. It's expected to pack a massive 8900 mAh Li polymer battery, supported by 120-watt fast charger, and a Type-C charging port. This means you'll spend less time in charging. Price and launch date. As for the price, the Nokia Play 5 Max is expected to start at around $500, for the base variant with 12GB RAM, and 256GB storage. However, when it comes to the launch date, there's no official information yet.